we be taking some cough, Theraflu medicine for us to have some ideas. Okay, so we go right now. I need some light, hold on. Okay, Monica. Oof. Ugh. Sure. No. How did you do that? I don't know. My breath feels all aired out for some reason. All minty. Oh well. Thanks, now. Two black bracelets. They were his. Those were Dempsey. He had your bracelet. No. Purple and white ones, yeah. What I took, I was wearing them. Oh, dang. I was gonna give you the black ones, but I forgot that shot because I took it off. It tastes so weird, man. Tastes so weird. I guess I'm used to it. I used to get colds like all the time when I was little, and I could use it to take medicine like this all the time. Horrible. It used to be horrible. Cool. What are these, man? Are these cutting scissors? Mm-hmm. For your hair? Mm-hmm. Where is it? Cut right to your purse. Make you silky. Silky. Powerful. Smooth and silky. Where's my hook? Delphin. What's over here? You have Delphin. What is that? Where'd you get it at? Yeah. That kind of stuff. I mean, kind of shoved down some robo. Yeah, it tastes horrible. How much of robo did you take when patience and stuff? Because I don't let it out. Lena, what should we talk about? Talk about everything. Magical? Magical unicorns and rainbows and robots and pandas and tacos and mushrooms and turtles and lima beans and cool beans and candy and monkeys and dogs and Kool-Aid and hamsters and happy faces and toothbrushes and lamps and llamas and water and coffee and Theraflu, Robo, and pills, and beer. That's all we do, man. We're like crackheads, dang, I never realized that. Marijuana. Dang, we are crackheads. Indeed, like that. Indeed, we are. This one works very well. This one. I know. It's not. People always ask me if I have fake eyelashes on when I put that on.
I used to have it, but I don't have it.
I stole that from the dollar store.
Yeah.
When me and Tyler were still over there. The black what? Black eyeshadow? It's a brow. It's a brow. It's a brow. The brush. The fast. It's been 5 minutes. We're gonna make another video when we're all tripping if it works.
Okay.
So good night or good morning.
Good day.
Good day.